So now we will be starting with our fourth section, that is about the face recognition module and how it's so-called different in comparison with the image recognition module. Before that, primarily it is important to understand the difference between the image recognition module and face recognition module. So let's have a look about the introduction to the face recognition. This is for those users who are new to deep learning and who want to understand about face recognition. First of all, basically I would like to tell you, face recognition is something which is like capturing live faces. On the other hand, when it comes to image recognition or image detection, it is where we have some images of some objects, some places or people, and we need to recognize from them. That is a major difference between both of them. So in our so-called clinic measurements, or we can say the clinic data set, can have a look on the face recognition for having an authentication, making a track of the patients who are getting logged in with the system. So it is a generalized matching face detection method where it includes a blend, or we can say a mixture of matching methods. So no one can foolproof, or we can say no one can fool you on this particular matter. It's completely authenticated kind of a system, and your face will be maintained in the track purpose. It involves various type of 3D modeling, and the most important thing is that it can be used in such a way that the points of a person's face can be used to uniquely identify or verify that this is a person who has done this particular thing. Again, I would like to repeat, no one can just fool you on the way it is being done. So this is the best module to be worked on, that is the face recognition module.